Hello, and welcome to this short demo of our module clone directory. This module is one of 12 modules that come with our IDM Toolbox product. The other modules, for which we also provide short demo videos, help you to design drivers, workflow forms, or mail templates, to analyze hundreds of driver trace files simultaneously, to do mass modification on any LDAP directory, to document drivers, workflows, and directory schemas, or to translate workflows without NetIQ's designer tool. This means the IDM Toolbox is the ultimate Swiss pocket knife for all consultants, project managers, and developers working with NetIQ's Identity Manager. But let's start with the module, Clone Directory. First, let's have a look at our source directory. From this directory, we want to copy all objects within subdirectory users.data to our destination directory. In the destination directory, we have already created a new container called clone_dir to place the new objects we want to copy. So let's have a look at the cloning process and parameters. We open the tab clone_dir, select the pre-configured cloning process, migrate 91 to 92 dated April 13, 2014 from the drop-down box, and press the load button. The pre-configured cloning process will be loaded. Let's have a look at the parameters. We have configured a source directory from where we load the objects and a target directory where we're going to create a copy of all the objects. The cloning process is a two-phase copy process. In the first phase, we create the basic objects without any additional attributes. In the second stage, we copy all attribute values. This procedure is necessary because of reciprocal dependencies of attributes like group membership or member, just to name two. But nevertheless, you can choose which of the phases you want to be executed in this specific cloning process. In the parameter, mandatory attributes, you can define for every object class which attributes at least have to be valued that the object will be copied. Suppress attributes allows you to specify for every object's class which attributes may not be copied. In our example, we'd like to skip the attribute dir XML-association. The parameter copy attributes is in connection with parameter regex for data mod, which means regular expression for data modification. Here you can add any and as many regular expression you want to be applied during the copy process on any attribute value. All attributes listed in the parameter, copy attributes, are exempt from all regular expressions. Now you understand why we have to exclude the user photo attribute from the regular expression that has been defined here, because we do not know whether the sequence O equals data may occur in LDAP photo. With the regular expression defined in this cloning process, we ensure that all objects with the source O equals data will be placed in the target container, O equals clone_dir, which we have prepared in the target directory. The only thing we have to do now to finalize the process definition is to paste the DNs of all objects we want to copy in the field DNs to clone. Then we press the Clone Data button and press OK to confirm. In the title section, you may notice the running process. You can observe the current phase the task manager is working on and how many of the total objects have been processed already. As soon as the process has finished, we press OK to close the notification and press Close, because we do not want to download the log file but have a look at the log directly with the toolbox. Let's open the Clone Log tab. We first see a summary of the process parameters. Next, the connections to the source and target directory have been checked. Then phase 1 has been started and all base objects have been created. In stage 2, we see some minor errors like group memberships that can't be added, because the group does not exist in the target directory and also is not part of the cloning process. Everything else is okay. Now let's check the target directory. As you can see, in our prepared target container, clone_dir, we have a new subcontainer, users, which contains all user objects from our source directory. Secondly, we also have to verify that the attribute dir XML-association hasn't been copied. In the source directory, user Allison Blake has had 6 dir XML-associations. In our target directory, she only has 2 values. These values have been created by loopback drivers in the target directory itself at the moment the object was created. Believe me, the original values haven't been copied. This was our short demonstration on the module Clone Directory, which is part of our IDM Toolbox, the ultimate Swiss pocket knife for all consultants, project managers, and developers working with NetIQ's Identity Manager. I hope you enjoyed this video. You may also have a look at our additional videos we have about the other modules that are part of the IDM Toolbox, like Driver Design and Documenter, Log File Analyzer or Workflow Form, and Email Template Designer. Thanks for watching and have a great day.